What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Kaspa. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So Kaspa is currently trading at just over 15 cents, which is actually refreshing to see because that's up from my last video. However, in my last video, I thought Kaspa was about to explode, but then Bitcoin absolutely got hammered, which tanked Kaspa as well. I'll get into the charts at the end of the video, but as you can see, we had it drawn on a nice falling wedge, but then it got destroyed with Bitcoin. But since then, it's recovered and actually made us gains. But anyways, their market cap is 3.4 billion, which ranks 38th among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is about 23 billion out of a max supply of 28.7 billion, which is just over 80% in circulation. Now, Kaspa is also currently down about 19% from their all-time high that they reached a month ago at just under 19 cents. So if you guys are looking to buy into that dip, I recommend using KuCoin or MEXC. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And if you scroll down into the Kaspa news section, there's one article in particular that I want to show you. So this one was posted 20 hours ago. 6 best cheap cryptos right now to buy under $1. And if we go ahead and click on the article, Kaspa is listed at number 1. So Kaspa is currently on an upward trajectory, surging over 20% today in the last intraday trading session. This surge aligns with integrating smart contracts and DeFi functionalities with the Kaspa ecosystem. Smart contracts encode self-executing contracts directly onto a blockchain, facilitating automated agreements and transactions without intermediaries. Meanwhile, DeFi offers financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading, all without reliance on central authorities. And one of the biggest complaints on Kaspa has always been that they did not have smart contracts. So this could certainly change the sentiment around Kaspa. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at Kaspa's X account, which has over 200,000 followers. And they just posted 18 hours ago that it's official Kaspa is going to Hong Kong on April 6th through April 9th of 2024. And as I always say, I love to see when projects attend events. It shows that they're getting their name and technology out there. And then on March 20th, they posted that this account has launched a developer spotlight series for Kaspa devs. Please comment and share and add your support for these amazing people pioneering in the crypto space. And then they posted on March 17th, in 18 months, Kaspa has transformed crypto technology. From the monumental Rust rewrite and an unprecedented 10 BPS with TN11, Kaspa is not just busy, it's setting all new benchmarks and proof of work. And then the last thing I want to show you is this post right here, March 14th. Booking flights with Kaspa through Travel.com. And this is awesome to see. Look, I understand a lot of people out there don't want to spend their Kaspa because they don't like the idea of spending an appreciating asset. But it is still very nice to know that if you wanted to spend your Kaspa, you could spend it. But now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect Kaspa's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Kaspa. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And the first important thing is what they posted March 20th. So the Federal Reserve leaves interest rates unchanged. They remain at 5.25% to 5.5%. And the rumors right now is that the reason Bitcoin was dropping is because a lot of people thought that interest rates were getting raised. So to see that they're still unchanged is a very good thing. And then on March 20th, the SEC is pursuing a legal campaign to classify Ethereum as a security. And at this point in time, it is crystal clear that Bitcoin is not a security, and then XRP was ruled to be not a security. Now, I do understand Ethereum is a completely different coin, but I still don't know as though this is going to go anywhere. But let me know down in the comments, do you guys think there's any chance Ethereum gets classified as a security? Personally, I don't really think it's going to happen. And then on March 20th, Robinhood launches a crypto wallet on Google Play for Android users. And I've showed this in my last several videos. But for any of you guys that are genuinely panicking about this crypto dump, just look at the bigger picture. It is crystal clear that crypto is not going anywhere in the future. But now, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and we've actually been making some very profitable calls. In fact, I actually just posted about Kaspa on March 14th. And this was the trade setup I was talking about. We were in a perfect falling wedge using the 50-day moving average as a support level. With all of these positive indicators, we only had 2 negative indicators. But then I said, always remember, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. Bitcoin got completely hammered and it took Kaspa down with it. But Kaspa is still in profit since this post. But now I do also want to take a second to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers: a general Discord / trader tier, an exclusive tier, and then a VIP tier. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. This is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And it's also not just the cryptos that I'm personally seeing, but I have an amazing community that is also constantly calling out opportunities that they are seeing in the market. And a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. cap. They're the kind of cryptos that could absolutely explode this bull run. Just to show you guys some of the gains we've already been making, the list goes on and on. We made 700% on Apu, 753% on AI Tech, 332% on Rosnet, 1,086% on AGI, and at this point it's actually way higher than that. AGI pumped to about 69 cents. But the gains just go on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. I would love to have you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Kaspa on the daily time frame. Now the first thing I'm seeing is that price action had gotten a perfect bounce off of the 786 on the Fibonacci. And that's usually something you can expect because that is a very strong accumulation zone. In addition, price action has gotten back above all of the moving averages, which is a very good thing to see. Now the big question is going to be whether or not it can actually hold this level. Now the RSI and stochastics are not overbought yet, so it still has room to keep coming up. But right now there isn't a whole lot to Kaspa. If we lose this level, we are dropping down. And there's a good chance we fall all the way back down to about 11 cents. Obviously, that's not guaranteed, but that's the next major level of support. But in general, props to any of you guys that called this bottom. You could have made a quick double-digit gains. But now we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And I mainly just want to continue showing you the weekly time frame on Bitcoin, because the reality right now is that even with this dip, we are still trading way away from all of the moving averages. And if you go back in Bitcoin's history, we always come back and retest these levels. So in the meantime, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin continues dropping or at least starts trading sideways. And that would give the moving averages time to actually catch up. And if we do look at the daily time frame on Bitcoin, price action had gotten back above the 21-day moving average, but then fell right back beneath it. That is not ideal to see at all, so I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to about 60,900 or even 59,000. But there is also one other thing that you really do need to understand. The crypto market has a very bullish sentiment right now. The Bitcoin spot ETFs have gotten approved, and there's a lot of other things going for crypto. But there is also always a chance that these major asset managers just buy up the dip. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.